Okay. So, what's your name of your company?
Xinmiao.
Xinmiao.
Yes.
When did you start working? When this company it's founded? Like in 2018, right?
Yes, our company founded in 2018.
So you have 7 years of experience, right?
Yes.
So here, as we see here, you show like some educational toys for kids. Like it's toy and the same for education, as I see here.
Okay.
Like
this one is our new product. This product will launch it in next month. And his name is Growing House.
Growing House.
Yes, like this, we have the seeds. He will grow up. And this product, we have two styles. The one is the bright colors and the other is original wooden colors. And we can have free like painting and DIY on these books.
Okay, so is this your bestseller?
Yes.
Okay, so which markets do you sell in? Like
markets like European and American countries. Other is the some Asian countries.
Okay, so when you sell in the American countries or the European countries, do you use Amazon? Do you use any like normal markets to sell your products, or you sell B2B or B2C? I mean, like you use Amazon. You know Amazon, right?
We more like B2B.
B2B.
Yes.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. Like, how much is this?
How much it's 30 yuan.
30 yuan. It's around $5.
Yes.
$4 or $5. It's actually quite cheap. And here, as we see here, like educational, like it's more good for education. Like 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, right?
Yes.
It's more for education for kids,
yes.
right? And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
You know,
it's named
here.
Apple Tree.
Okay.
Apple Tree, and it is a math toy.
And here, like the kids can draw and can do, like it's everything for education. It's very useful for kids, as I see here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I will introduce our another best price.
Yes, I can.
Like this. This is a sound puzzle. And this is, we have 3 subjects. The one is musical instrument, and the other is the animal farm and the vehicle.
Everything here is educational, actually.
Yes.
Like very good for education, very good for like for free time. It's just gonna, even if it's like 10 years old, you're gonna play with this. Actually, it's very, very, very good and very useful.
Yes, this product, when we put the puzzle off, it makes the sound.
Makes sound.
Yes. It is the best sale in recent months. Yes.
Like everyone makes sound.
Yes.
Oh, it's very good sound puzzle. And here we have a lot of choices and a lot of toys to try, actually.
Yes.
Because you're not gonna buy one, you're gonna buy a lot. Thank you so much. Like, can I have a business card?
Yes, we have business card. It is.
Thank you.
Business card.
Yeah, this is your business card. Wanna contact them? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm very glad to see you.